What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Amazon.com with the ticker symbol AMZN. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I look at Amazon every Saturday, and you can see that this week price did continue to trend up higher off of this channel support. So we did break this trend line right over here. So that's a bullish sign. So I can go and remove it. And this measure move target doesn't look to be in play any longer. And we are above the EMA. So it looks like this uptrend, had a very strong influence on the price action. So there's a good chance that price may continue to trend up higher. I do have this horizontal line at the 138. It looks like I can probably move it up higher right over there at the 143. That's where the prior high is. That would probably be the next level that price is trying to reach, right around the 143, because it was prior resistance right over here, and that's the high of this uptrend that will probably be taken out. So we'll see how this develops, but as right now, this is a very strong uptrend for Amazon Holdings. You can see how the EMA is pointing directly up. Price is mostly above it, so this is definitely a strong uptrend. The correction looks to be over. The channel is doing what it's supposed to do. If we hit one side of the channel, price works its way to the opposite side. If we hit one side of the channel, price works its way to the opposite side. So if we hit one side of the channel, price works its way to the opposite side. So, you can see how well, the pattern keeps on repeating. It's not going to repeat forever, but, as of right now, that's what we can expect. So we just bounced off of support. Price is working its way back up to the high right around the 143 levels. So this looks pretty good. Unless something drastically happens on the chart, maybe another leg down, because all this is just technically one leg down. Maybe we do start a second leg down. It is targeting right around the 126, which is a key level, because that's where Amazon bounced off of several times, and that can act as support. But either way, whenever we get a break of a channel that's confirmed, like this one, we usually see two pushes up in that direction anyway. So either the two pushes are going to be really small, or they're going to be really large, or, they're in the wrong direction, something like that. At least we did see the two pushes up, but we'll see what happens. But as right now, I'll be expecting higher prices even if we do break this yellow channel, because we have support right over here. And whenever we break an uptrend channel, we get two pushes in that direction. Because the bulls don't just give up and price just, dumps right away. Usually, after breaks of channels, like 90 to 95% of the time, you're going to see two attempts higher by the bulls. So we'll see if we get another leg down or not. As right now, I can't say for sure because we're still within the yellow channel. So there's a good chance that it may just continue to trend up higher to the 143 target and maybe even exceed it. So everything's looking pretty good for Amazon. This is a nice, strong uptrend, stronger than many other tech stocks. And we can look for a longer term target on the weekly chart. So here is the weekly chart, and you can see that Amazon did bottom back here in January of this year because we had this previous orange downward pattern that broke, and you can see that there was two pushes in that direction. This was the first push down, price pulled back. This was the second push down, and right at the bottom of those pushes, that's where price found support, coinciding with the 2020 lows. So that's not random at all. Then we retraced back to this trend line, found resistance, moved back down, and then price was finally able to break it. So that's showing bullish strength to the upside. So we are, moving up higher in a nice, strong, healthy uptrend. We are above the EMA. We're a little bit overextended. So that's why I'm saying we can still see another big drop, maybe a break of the channel, and then price to continue to trend up higher, something like that. But again, that's not guaranteed. We can always just stay within this yellow channel longer than most people think. So as long as, Amazon continues to trend up higher, I'm looking for the all-time highs. That's just the next obvious key level that price wants to reach. We just need to see a break of this 143 because it was prior support right over here, support over here. Then it started finding resistance. So it was previous support. Now it is acting as resistance. So if price breaks above it, finds support once again, the next target easily will probably be the all-time highs at the 187. So Amazon is a very strong stock. I don't see anything, telling me we're going to see a crash. Maybe until we reach the all-time highs, maybe then we'll get a crash. But as right now, this is still pretty healthy. It continues to push up higher. So that's all I have for Amazon on the daily and weekly charts. Overall, it is, showing bullish strength in the short term and long term. So I would be expecting prices to continue to push up higher to the next key level at the 143 and maybe even beyond. So this is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.